Welcome to Student Planning, Requesting a Review. Student planning enables you to communicate and request a review of your plan from your advisor. If you have an advisor assigned, you can submit your plan and schedule to your advisor by selecting Advising on the Plan and Schedule page. Select the Request Review button to send your full plan, including all terms, to your advisor. Your advisor may make adjustments to your plan or may just make comments about your plan that you can review by selecting Advising. Make sure to include a note to your advisor in the Compose a Note section when sending your request for a review. Include any specific questions you have about your plan. You can also send an email to your advisor by selecting Advising and then click on the name of your advisor in the My Advisors section. If you do not have an advisor assigned, click the Advising Office link to send an email to the Advising Office to request an advisor. Check out our other student planning videos.